I do what you would refer to as translational research, and that means everything from basic science to clinical applications. And for me personally, that means every single day I'm doing something different and learning something new. And the group of people that you have to assemble to do that is diverse, incredibly talented, brilliant, and dedicated and committed in many different ways. I'm George Christ, professor of biomedical engineering and orthopedic surgery at the University of Virginia, where I hold the Commonwealth Chair in engineering. I run the Laboratory for Regenerative Therapeutics, and we're a diverse group of interdisciplinary researchers dedicated to developing regenerative medicine and tissue engineering technologies to treat craniofacial and extremity trauma to wounded warriors. And this work is funded by the National Institutes of Health, as well as primarily the Department of Defense and industry stakeholders, because anytime you're doing translational research and trying to get things into the clinic, you need a diverse funding portfolio. Our work is focusing on creating replacement tissues and organs for those in need, and primarily for wounded warriors with head, neck, and extremity trauma injuries. But this is where the Manning Institute has an enormous potential to be impactful, because the GMP, state-of-the-art GMP facilities there could provide a place where we could create replacement tissues and organs right on the campus here at UVA to serve not only our wounded warriors, but the civilian population as well.